Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to be doing my Zodiac series video. So today I'm doing Pisces, which is from February 19th to March 20th. It's a water sign and it's a mutable sign. Their color is mauve, lilac, just like purple colors, violet, and sea green. Their special day is Thursday, and their stone is aquamarine. Their lucky numbers are 3, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 24. Their strengths are that they're compassionate, artistic, intuitive, gentle, wise, and musical. Their weaknesses are fearful, overly trusting, desire to escape reality. And their likes are being alone, sleeping, music, romance, and swimming. Dislikes are know-it-alls, being criticized, and cruelty of any kind. So basically, they're supposed to be very selfless. They like helping others, like without asking for anything in return, and they're very understanding. But that is a little bit about Pisces. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. But yeah, so that's a little bit about Pisces, and I kind of have a look in mind of what I want to do because of the colors. So excuse me, we're going to be doing that look. Going to start off by going into my Modern Mattes BH Cosmetics palettes.
And I just broke it. I'm so sad.
I'm gonna go into this middle shade right here.
We get love drunk and we keep getting sicker. I tell you your worth, that if something gets triggered, you start crying. Like Mark, why you lying? Your beautiful body and mind, you're rolling your eyes. I get that you're trying. See, lately my heart is surrounded by lines.
We're gonna go in with this dark purple right there.
With me, travel around the world through the air with me. I just want to be with someone that'll care with me, there with me when it all comes crumbling down, and pick up all the parts of me you see on the ground. I gave him all of me and he was fucking around. Look longer than nasty, how close to picking they pounds. Damn, I know you feeling distant, saying men are all the same, I can tell you different. No, I don't deserve a chance, but you down listing. A broke rapper with a dream and a grand vision. I'm damn driven and you know that I'm believing in you. You focus on the things you said you never could do.
So now I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go in with Pool Party.
If you wanna break the code, you get the best of me. It's when you said to me, yeah, it's when you said to me.
Take Royalty from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go back in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette and go in with that light purple. Okay, so I just put some glitter on the outer half of my crease, it's just like maybe like I don't know if this is holographic glitter. I guess in a way it is. So I did that, and I did lashes, and they're a little wonky, but
I'm not trying
I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not fixing them.
I just wanna know what it feels like to have your body so close. Let me absolve you of the past that controls you. I just wanna know what you look like without a weight on your soul.
Yeah, said you'll find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. Don't talk about them again, you keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in. Well, I guess that you're right, but fake has been never my type. And I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night. Then you came in my life. You're different than them. I'm used to them playing pretend. I'm used to you're only a friend. Fell deep with each letter you send. I'm questioning loving again. I'm questioning when it will end. Then till I break it, my heart don't break even. I want this for longer than only a season. And you didn't break me. You came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason. I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet him. Wish I could see him one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that his son is here, folk to change. And hear him laugh when I tell him about the stories we made, pretending like I'm okay. I'm broken and you know it. Building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face told me focus. You're not the only one that's been broken. I'm hoping you open up. I thought what? Thinking that I'm always hoping, but I realize I've been swollen shut. There's more to us. There's more to love than surface. Lost the surface front. And the night I might spill my guts, she said. Can't tell what he did before to make you feel like you're less, you're more. Your clothes the floor. I guess I got a glass full of feelings that I overpour. Now I can't handle my liquor. We get love drunk and we keep getting sicker. I tell you you're worth it. If something gets triggered, you start crying. Like Mark, why you lying? Your beautiful body and mind. You're rolling your eyes. I get that you're trying. See, lately my heart is surrounded by lines. But if you have time, I would love for you to bear with me. Look up at the stars and just stare with me. Travel around the world through the air with me. I just wanna be with someone that'll care with me. There with me when it all comes crumbling down. And pick up all the parts of me you see on the ground. I gave him all of me and he was fucking around. Look longer than nasty, how I'm supposed to pick and they pounds. Damn, I know you're feeling distant. Saying men are all the same, I can't tell you different. No, I don't deserve a chance, but you down listen. A broke rapper with a dream and a grand vision. I'm damn driven and you know that I'm believing in you.
This is the finished look. It's coming up a lot more blue on camera than it is green. But I guarantee it's more green in person. So this is the Pisces look that I came up with. I'm pretty proud of it. It's giving me some like Ursula vibes, but it's still cute. Yeah, I put out videos every Tuesday, or I try to put out videos every Tuesday. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.